Spencer, get down. Spencer? You always wanted to know what Spencer would do if he had a pet bird. I might just find out. No. Keeping an eye on him. Poor thing. You doing, baby? Probably just gonna need to sleep it off a little. I bet you by the morning, but yeah, I'll be okay. Okay? Show his belly again. Oh, look at his feathers. Oh my god, he's got sharp little claws. Spencer. My cat is trying to get into the bird's cage.
I don't want the bird to be in there and feel uncomfortable.
Oh my god. Why does he do this? Oh god. Stepped on the dog. Spencer.
Come on, please do this for me.
Spencer. Be nice, Memphis.
Memphis gave him a big old kiss and laughed.
Be nice. Be nice, Memphis. It's this little tiny bird. Yes, he flew in our window.
Right, Henry?
Spencer, what are you doing? Spencer. No, baby, that's